She entered the courtroom wearing a calm smile that caught everyone off guard. But her composure wasn't the only thing that stood out. Isabella Guzman, a teenager at the center of a widely discussed family case, carried an air that left investigators unsettled, making the moment even more striking.
You're one of the most evil person I've ever sat across the table from.
You've come in here trying to fucking act like you're so goddamn smart.
No.
You're not getting out of jail. It makes me physically sick to look at you.
Do the DNA test that will prove me right.
Don't tell me how to do my job.
In August 2013, 18-year-old Isabella Guzman became the focus of national attention after a tragic incident at her home in Aurora, Colorado, that resulted in the loss of her mother's life. The event left the community shaken and raised difficult questions about what had led to such an outcome. Her stepfather discovered the aftermath and immediately called for help, while Isabella fled the scene but was located and taken into custody the following day. What drew even more public attention was her behavior in the courtroom and during police questioning. Despite the seriousness of the situation, Isabella appeared calm, even smiling at times, which made observers and investigators uneasy. Clips of her demeanor later spread across TikTok, where the case became a viral topic of discussion, highlighting both the tragedy and the unsettling way it unfolded.
You think some juror sitting on a jury is going to believe that you're not the person we suspect killed their mother when you're caught right down the street with knife injuries to your hand?
Scissors.
It's not scissor injuries.
I told you they were scissors.
It's not scissor injuries.
Yes, it was. You're not going to bully me into admitting what you're not really like. Please stop accusing me of this.
Just tell me how that feels.
Please fingerprint me. Please fingerprint me. Please fingerprint me. I will show you that I am not this freaky, horrible person. I want to meet my boyfriend. He's probably worried about.
Observers described her demeanor as cold and unsettling, with one detective admitting he almost lost his composure because of her absence of emotion.
You're acting like you're running this investigation.
What do you mean?
You're demanding to be fingerprinted. You're demanding to be weighed.
Don't I have a right?
You're telling us that you're not this person, that we've made a big mistake. We've arrested
Don't I have
person.
a right to prove that I am innocent? Yes, right? Please.
Do you understand the
Can
law?
somebody please fingerprint me? If the DNA doesn't match,
You don't even need your DNA to prove anything.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't. We don't even.
I watch forensic files. You can't lie to me about
That's a
difference,
TV
man.
show.
So what do you
That's a
mean?
TV show. Do you believe everything they put on TV is real? How stupid are you? Are you going to put your life in the hands of some TV show?
No,
Is that what you're going to bargain your life on?
I'm bargaining.
Forensic Files says that you got to have a DNA match?
Yeah.
Really?
Wait.
Really, Isabella? Does that make any goddamn sense to you?
Isabella. Stop calling me Isabella.
That's your name.
No, it's not.
It is too.
No, it isn't.
You make me upset.
I haven't done anything to you.
Isabella's answers left investigators unsettled, as she insisted she was someone named Samantha and claimed the woman she lived with was not her real mother, but an imposter who, in her mind, had to be removed to protect the world.
Is this just your way of dealing with this? You pretend you're somebody you're not? I mean, is that your mechanism for...
This is just really frustrating. I'm not even really scared or anything at all because I know that I'm not this person.
So you're not scared at all?
Because I'm not her. So she's 110 pounds. That's really skinny. I'm 148 pounds.
Isabella, please.
Don't call me Isabella.
That's your name.
My name is not Isabella. My name is Samantha. There are people in this world that look alike, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You guys are not, like, all-knowing. You don't know everything. You're just accusing me of all this stuff that I didn't do.
Do you understand what I'm saying, Isabella? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Don't call me Isabella!
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I'm not Isabella!
In the aftermath of the tragedy, Isabella Guzman underwent extensive psychiatric evaluation, where doctors concluded that she was suffering from schizophrenia. Her delusions and fragmented sense of reality ultimately shaped the outcome of her trial. When the case moved to court, Isabella's behavior once again became a point of national discussion. She sat quietly for most of the proceedings, her expression often vacant, and at times she would smile or smirk during moments that others found deeply emotional. This stark contrast between her demeanor and the anguish displayed by her family members and prosecutors raised difficult questions about her state of mind. Legal analysts pointed out that her reactions could reflect the severity of her mental illness, rather than disregard for the situation. Her defense team emphasized this point, arguing that she was not guilty by reason of insanity, citing her long history of schizophrenia and the delusions that distorted her perception of reality. After months of testimony and expert review, the court reached its conclusion in 2014. The jury found Isabella not guilty by reason of insanity, determining that she could not fully comprehend or control her actions at the time of the incident. Instead of a prison sentence, she was ordered to remain at the Colorado Mental Health Institute in Pueblo, a secure psychiatric hospital. There she began treatment with no guaranteed date of release, as her stay was set to last as long as professionals deemed necessary for public safety. Experts explained that Isabella had been living with untreated schizophrenia for years, with symptoms intensifying before the incident, leading her to believe she was someone else, and that her mother was an imposter. Over the years, Isabella has appeared before review boards requesting conditional release, asserting that medication and therapy have helped her regain stability. She has argued that she no longer poses a risk to society, though her petitions have been met with caution. For many, the memory of her courtroom demeanor and the devastating loss continues to cast a shadow, ensuring that any decision about her future is carefully weighed.
Not weigh over more the danger to myself. If I could change it or if I could take it back, I would.
After the trial, clips of Isabella Guzman's courtroom appearances began circulating across social media, especially on TikTok. Viewers were struck by her calm, sometimes smiling demeanor, and many users created videos analyzing her expressions, gestures, and overall behavior. The hashtag bearing her name quickly gained momentum, sparking thousands of posts and conversations around her case. For some, these viral discussions became a way to highlight the importance of mental health and its role in criminal cases. Others, however, criticized the trend, pointing out that her behavior was being taken out of context, and that the gravity of the tragedy was being overshadowed by internet fascination. This wave of online attention raised important ethical questions. Should real-life tragedies be turned into viral content? Does social media amplify awareness or exploit suffering for entertainment? Opinions remain divided. Some argued that the conversations encouraged much-needed discussions about schizophrenia and mental health treatment. Others felt the trend trivialized the devastating loss at the heart of the case. Psychologists and ethicists also weighed in, warning against reducing complex human struggles into short, viral moments and reminding audiences that these were not fictional stories but real lives shaped by trauma. Isabella Guzman's story highlights the intersection of mental illness, crime, and the digital age, showing how quickly narratives can shift once amplified online. It also challenges us to think carefully about how we consume, discuss, and share sensitive stories. Ultimately, the case reminds us to approach such topics with empathy, compassion, and a deep respect for the people involved. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thoughtful explorations of true crime cases. Thank you for watching.